The Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs Mahashivratri celebrations at Isha in the presence of Adi Yogi and Sadhguru. The unique planetary positions on Mahashivratri create a powerful natural upsurge of energy. One can benefit from this immensely by staying awake and keeping the spine erect. Stay tuned tonight for exuberant music and dance performances that will bring you to your feet. Intense meditation processes, Sadhguru's discourse, and much more. This year will also mark the first time Sadhguru will be initiating participants, both online and in person, into the powerful Maha Mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, at midnight. We hope this night will not just be a night of wakefulness, but a night of awakening for you. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now prepare to immerse ourselves in the magic of Mahashivratri with an exuberant night-long celebration, including a powerful Maha Mantra initiation by Sadhguru at midnight, explosive meditations, Sadhguru's discourses, and a spectacular cultural performance by renowned artists. The event is being translated live into 22 languages, 11 Indian and 11 global. The live stream can be accessed on Sadhguru YouTube. The chief guest of this year's Mahashivratri celebrations, the Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation, Shri Amit Shah, will be joining us shortly, and then we will begin. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see on the screens that Shri Amit Shah has arrived and is in conversation with Sadhguru. The conversation is taking place at Suryakund. We also have many other guests who have arrived, and some will be joining us soon. Sadhguru and the Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs, Shri Amit Shah, visiting the Naga. In the yogic tradition, as well as in many cultures around the world, the serpent holds special significance for its ability to be still and its extraordinary sense of perception. Consecrated by Sadhguru, the Naga's energies are extremely supportive for health, prosperity, and exploring the mystical dimensions of life. Panels that we have on the walls leading inside the Dhyana Linga, portraying the Shiva Bhakts. The Union Minister will now offer the Linga Jyoti to Dhyana Linga. This is a unique lamp that combines the elements of water and fire and has been designed by Sadhguru to be offered to Dhyana Linga as a symbol of purification and light. Shri Amit Shah adorning himself with the black shawl that is usually worn as you enter Dhyana Linga. Going in procession around the Dhyana Linga to place the lamp in front. Shri Amit Shah making an offering of the Panchabhutas, or the 5 elements, and flowers to Dhyana Linga. The Tamara once again, the lotus flower. Sparshanam papanashranam नमः शिवार्पणम् त्रिगुणाकारं त्रिनेत्रं च त्रिआयुधम्. The Panchabhuta Kriya invoking a certain aspect of Shiva known as Bhut.
समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरण कमलेभ्यो नमः। आचमनीयं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरण कमलेभ्यो नमः। साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि श्री गुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। संसारसमुद्रताय नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिदाभ्यां वैराग्यसाम्राज्यपूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः। श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कवित्ववाराशिसागराभ्यां नृपद्पदाभ्यां नतलोकपङ्क्तेः नमो नमः। श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां पापान्धकारार्कपरम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाधीन्द्रत्वगेश्वराभ्यां चार्यातिसंशोषणवाडवाभ्यां नमो नमः। नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां। संभवः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्म समुद्भवः। आपो अध्यान्वचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि पयस्वानग्नादहि तमांसा सृजवर्चसा अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यधन्न संभवः। यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्म समुद्भवः। आपो अध्यान्वचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि पयस्वानग्नादहि तमांसा सृज वर्चसा अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यधन्नसम्भवः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्मसमुद्भवः आपो अध्यात्मचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि वयस्वानग्नागहि तमांसा सृजवर्चसा अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यधन्नसम्भवः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्मसमुद्भवः आपो अध्यात्मचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि वयस्वानग्नागहि तमांसा सृजवर्चसा अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यधन्नसम्भवः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्मसमुद्भवः आपो अध्यात्मचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि वयस्वानग्नागहि तमांसा सृजवर्चसा
भीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्वतिम् अव्यवाहं पुरुप्रियम्
अग्निं दूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निमभीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्वतिम् अव्यवाहं पुरुप्रियम्
अग्निं दूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निमभीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्वतिम् अव्यवाहं पुरुप्रियम्
अग्निं दूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निमभीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्वतिम् अव्यवाहं पुरायो शुक्रो आयामि ते मध्वो अग्रं दिविष्टिषु आयाहि सोमपीडये स्वार्हो देव्युद्वता यथा वायुं समाश्रित्य वदिविष्टिषु आयाहि सोमपीडये स्वार्हो देव्युद्वता
नैव भोज्यं न भुक्ता चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मे मृत्युशङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पितानैव मे नैव माता न जन्म न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विबुद्ध्वाच सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासङ्गतं नैव मुक्तेन मेयः चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्
Bampati, the Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, Sri L. Murugan, and the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri D.K. Shivakumar. Honorable Union Minister for Home Affairs and the Minister of Cooperation, Shri Amit Shah, together with Sadhguru. At the Adiyogi now. In yogic culture, ladies and gentlemen, Shiva is not seen as a god, but as Adiyogi, the first yogi and the originator of yoga. Over 15,000 years ago, predating all religion, Adiyogi transmitted the profound. In the backdrop of the linga, you can see the Saptarishi panel, masterfully engraved granite relief depicting Adiyogi's first 7 disciples. Established as the manifestation of the 5 major chakras in the human system, the Yogeshwara Linga's energies support one's sadhana and allow one to experientially vision of raising human consciousness and helping to enhance an individual's mental and physical well-being through yogic tools for transformation has resulted in millions of people benefiting.
Maheshwara Bhujanga Bhushan Neelakanta
कालो न जानाति अवसमापनम् दृष्टो मया तव महाकारः योगेश्वर काल योगेश्वर काल Namaskaram, welcome to Mahashivratri 2025. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். மகாசிவராத்திரி 2025 எப்படி தமிழ்ல? எங்க தெம்பே இல்லையா? என்ன இப்படி? And welcome to our beloved Home Minister and many other dignitaries who are here. Namaskaram to all of you. Well, in every government there are ministers and ministers, of course, but after independence, post-independence, there was one minister who was also a home minister. Without him, the nation wouldn't have gotten consolidated. You know who I'm talking about. So, what Sardar Patel did at that time to put the nation together was one of the most significant acts post-independence. Otherwise, we wouldn't be one country, for that matter. Though the misfortune of partition happened, still whatever could be mopped up and put together as one nation was done. But since then, many developments, political, secessionist, and various other kinds of things, even small constitutional disruptions happened where the nation, though was one nation in paper, in many ways, there were parts of the country which were not really in control of the ruling dispensation. I have to say, our present Home Minister, what's done is in some way a reflection of what Sardar Patel did at that time, once again stitching up the nation together. As all of you know, that slowly things were happening in the country, that every month there used to be a bomb blast. Next, where is the menu? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, you name it. You have not heard of such things for the last 10 years. Thanks to all the agencies, forces, and above all, the one who leads them, our beloved Home Minister, and the determined hand with which he has handled this, has done many things, and parts of the country which were almost not like our country where militancy ruled, today largely is in control, and he has made a promise by 2026 completely that problem will be over, and we're all with you, sir, to fulfill that promise. And above all, a complete reintegration of Kashmir as a part of India. Correcting, this is not to find fault with anybody, but historically, when we make some mistakes, knowingly, unknowingly, but we don't know what compulsions they had at that time, this is not a judgment on anybody, but certain mistakes that we have done historically, correcting them later on is a very, very complicated thing. And this Article 370, abrogation of that, and bringing peace to the state, making it normal, almost normal, I would say. Today, lakhs of tourists are traveling to Kashmir. They're inviting me to come and play golf in Kashmir. I don't know when I'm going. Home Minister should tell me when it's right for me to go. And this is fantastic because we must understand without maintaining the basic sovereignty and law and order in the country, all other aspirations of economic development, of education, of technology, of spirituality, everything will go waste. If the fundamental law and order is not there and the basic geographical sovereignty of the nation is not properly established, this is a very thankless job because everybody thinks you're too hard. If you don't do it, they say you're no good. If you do it, it's too hard because there is no soft way to do this as far as I can see. So it's a great mission that he has taken it up and doing it. Of course, all the forces, agencies, people, various state governments, everybody are participating in this, but still, so that he becomes part of this mission of Maha Yoga Yagna. And I request Amit Bhai to say a few words.
मित्रों, सबसे पहले मैं विश्व की सबसे पुरानी भाषा